Linking your bank account to X2Y2 is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the X2Y2 website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information such as your email address and password and verify your account through the confirmation email sent to you. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Look for options related to payment methods or bank account linking. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In account settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. You may be prompted to provide additional information for security purposes. Step 4. Enter bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the linking process. You may need to verify the link through a small deposit made by X2Y2 into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to X2Y2. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on their website or contact customer support for assistance.